What's up guys, welcome to Tommy Unboxing Review. Today I'm going to show you the ZD Racing's new product. Now this is a 1/7 dessert truck. Now let's unbox it. Five big tails. Now this is 165 in diameters. Now this is the back tail. This is the manuals and some other stuffs. Charger. Transmitter, the same as the EX07. Screws here. Here is a truck. Oh, this is a pannier. Now let's look at it. This dessert truck is so heavy and so beautiful, stunning. Look at the blue liveries. Now this is a 1/7 scales. If you know ZD Racing's, now this is just the DBX 1/10 scales dessert trucks zoom up. Look at the headlights. Now the prototype of this truck is the Porsche 911 U4 trucks, Ultra 4 trucks. Just like a Porsche 911. Now let's look at the trucks. First, the chassis. Now this is the same as ZD's first 1/7 chassis. Now this all the same. But look at the front and rear lower arms. Now this is more firm than the EX07. And even the colors changed. Now this is a grey color. The foam is black. And this is a carbon fiber Texas skirt plate. Look at the exhaust, so beautiful, and the rear, front and rear lights. And the suspensions, I remember it's a little bit longer than the EX07s. Now this is just decorations, not functions. Piggyback. Here is a back tails. By the way, the back tails gives you a wheel bars. So as this diesel truck, you can drive like a Bigfoot. Now let's see the inside of it. Wow. First look at the bodies, the interiors, a lot of wears. Now this is also have the 12 less versions. The chassis, look at the chassis. Oh, sorry. All the same as EX07, but the central differential case is changed to metals, not plastic, and it even has a handbrake. Nothing changed. Beautiful truck. Now the factories, it gives you a CNC machine wrench. So beautiful. Now let's look at the big tires. These big tires, someone said it can even fit for the 1/5 Bigfoot. 165 in diameter is so big, and it's even bigger than my King Motors 1/6 trophy truck. Now that car's tire is 157 in diameters. So big. Now let's look at it. The front lights, rear lights. Now let's check on the headlights. When I press the channel 3, a lot of less effects. It also has the handbrake functions. So beautiful truck. Now let's test the suspension systems. So soft and long range for this. And this is wheel, small wheel bar. If you want to flip, I think you should detach the back wheels, because when you flip this, the back wheels will contact the surface and make the flip stop. So big cars. Now thanks for watching. Please make comments down below. Thumbs up. Now I will see you next time. Bye.